This is Freedom Ride, a 501c3 providing therapeutic riding to the disabled. It also served as a field lab for University of Central Florida nonprofit management graduate students.
This class was probably the most unique course that I've taught in my teaching career so far.
The class, Philanthropy, Fundraising, and Social Entrepreneurship, was a unique partnership between the Community Foundation of Central Florida and UCF School of Public Administration.
So we approached UCF with this idea that if we brought strategy and experience, an experience, by the way, that is a real-world experience, and the database that would give them the capability of actually doing this, that we could create the experience and teach some people how to be grant makers and the role of philanthropy at the same time. So let's say we had some money that was focused for animals, and we had some money that was focused for children, and we could identify a way to include animals with children with disabilities and create, sustain, or forward a program that actually made that happen. Now you've created a portfolio grant out of initiative money.
Mentors help the students understand grant making isn't as simple as assigning dollars to a matching program.
So the mentor came in and she was able to show us that maybe we were being too rigid in our categories and in the way that we were setting our criteria. And she kind of gave us permission to look at the organizations that speak to us.
The Community Foundation and its board came to campus to co-teach the class. In the end, the students were called upon to make well-researched, educated, but passionate funding recommendations to the board.
My team, we were able to go out to Freedom Ride, which was really nice because we were able to see hands-on what exactly they do. What we ended up granting for was a strategic plan to be able to take them to the next level.
$2,500 in capacity building for Freedom Ride, a total of $96,500 in grants for various Central Florida nonprofits. All of the grants presented by the class were awarded.
This class really helped me to understand the concept of donors versus investors, which I really hadn't made the connection on my own, and then it also helped me to determine the outcomes versus the impacts.
I didn't have an interest in working in foundations before, but now I have a very strong interest.
It was an honor to be part of it.
We're going to do this class again. You know, we have committed to working with the foundation again, and they have committed to working with us. And hopefully we're developing not just future nonprofit leaders, but a whole new generation of people who think differently about philanthropy and who really are wanting to make a difference and know how to make that difference.